Here's something else I'd like you to think about if you needed to put some type of an opening at the bottom of a ramp or floor. Now you can tell this is a ramp here, and this is not the main entrance to the building. If you need to get up in a wheelchair or you're having a difficult time walking up the steps, this is the area you are going to use. But I would like to make a note here, even though this is not a high traffic area. It opens. This is a door here. I don't know if you can see it. Here's the hinges. Here's the outline of the door. The door looks like it opens this way. The hinges are here. Now, I'm not going to say that this is a bad design. I'm not, because what would I rather have over here? One, divot or one indentation, or two. I don't know what's going to be better. But here's what I'm thinking with this. You're on a wheelchair ramp. Someone's got the door open. It opens this way. You're coming down the ramp. You can't see very good, or you can't see very good. You're just walking, and this door's open. Not going to be a good thing as you fall into this. Now, if this was up the other way, and maybe you could have something where the door would open up and a little latch here, you could latch it over to where it's not going to fall down. Someone walks here, they're going to have to stop. Because the door is going to be blocking them from entering, or I shouldn't say from entering or exiting, because if the door's open either direction, anyone coming from this way who doesn't see it's going to have going to be shocked here after they fall down the opening, into the opening there. That will not. Who knows if they fall in the opening and they could encounter some type of a miracle. So who knows? I'm just going to throw that out there. But you never know, right? Anyway, I think if I was designing this, I would have switched sides. I would have switched sides just to prevent problems from people coming down the ramp, and had it to where you could have blocked it off somehow. But this right here really isn't a good situation. It's almost one of those things that eventually you're going to have a problem with it. If you're not paying attention, if you don't block off the ramp on this side and block this area off when that's open, you could be in for could create some problems in the future. So I just had to share my opinion with you. Switch this around, just seems like it would have been better.